Good afternoon, doctor. My name is Kudajan, number metric 292973. Now I will present my individual assignment. The title is Agile Project Management in IT, Principles and Practice. Agile project management is an iterative approach to planning and guiding project processes. Just as in Agile software development, an Agile project is completed in small sections. These sections are called iterations. In Agile project management, each iteration includes a cross-functional team working on various aspects like planning, analysis, design, coding, and testing. Now I will continue to relevance to project management. The first is flexibility and adaptability. Agile allows the project managers to adapt to change quickly and efficiently, which is crucial in the fast-paced IT industry. The second is improve customer satisfaction. Regular iterations and continuous feedback loops ensure that the product meets the customer requirements and expectations, enhancing the satisfaction. The next one is increase the project visibility. Agile methodologies promote the transparency through the regular updates and reviews, enabling stakeholders to track the progress and make informed decisions. The next one is enhance the team collaboration. Agile's emphasis on communication and collaboration foster a strong team environment, leading to better problem solving and innovation. The last one is risk management. Agile projects are less risky because each iteration tackles a small part of the project, and issues can be identified and addressed early. The first key concept is iterative and incremental development. The Agile projects progress through small, repeated cycles. Each iteration builds upon the previous one, gradually adding functionality and refining the product. The second is user stories. Brief, simple descriptions of a feature from the perspective of the end user. User stories help the development team understand the user's needs and prioritize features accordingly. The next one is continuous feedback and improvement. Regular feedback from the stakeholders and end users is incorporated into the project. This ensures that the product evolves to meet the user's needs more accurately. The next one is customer collaboration. Continuous engagement with customers or product owners to gather their requirements, get feedback, and adjust the product to meet their needs effectively. The last one is simplicity. Maximizing the amount of work not done by focusing on essential requirements and avoiding the unnecessary complexity. Now I will give a real-world example, which is Spotify. Spotify, the popular music streaming service, has effectively implemented Agile practice to scale its development process. For the Agile practice use, first is squads, tribes, chapters, and guilds. Spotify's organizational structure is based on these elements. Squads are small autonomous teams that work like scrum teams, focusing on the specific features or components. Tribes consist of multiple squads that collaborate on related areas. Chapters are groups of individuals with similar skills across the different squads, ensuring the knowledge sharing and skills development. Guilds are communities of interest where employees from the different tribes share the knowledge and best practice. The second is autonomous teams. Each squad at Spotify has autonomy over its work process, including how they organize their work, conduct the sprints, and prioritize the tasks. This autonomy fosters innovation and empowers teams to make decisions independently. The last one is continuous improvement. Spotify emphasizes continuous learning and improvement through the regular retrospectives, where teams reflect on their process and identify areas for enhancements. This iterative approach allows the Spotify to adapt quickly and change and continuously deliver value to its users. After that, for the results, first is increase the innovation by empowering autonomous teams and fostering a culture of experimentations. Spotify has accelerated its pace of innovation. Teams can rapidly prototype and release the new features, allowing Spotify to stay ahead in competitive markets. The second is enhanced responsiveness. Agile practice enables Spotify to respond swiftly to user feedback and market trends. Teams can pivot their priorities based on real-time data, ensuring that Spotify's product offerings remain relevant and customer-centric. The next is potential challenge and best practice. For the potential challenge, first is cultural resistance. Shifting to an agile mindset can be difficult for organizations accustomed to traditional project management methodologies. Resistance to change is common among team members and management. The cultural resistance can slow down or completely hinder the agile transformation process. For example, employees who are used to a common and controlled management style may resist the self-organizing nature of agile teams. The second is lack of experience and expertise. Teams new to Agile may struggle with understanding and implementing Agile practice effectively. Ineffective implementation of Agile practice can lead to project delays and reduce the quality. For example, a development team might have difficulty estimating the user stories accurately, leading to inconsistent sprint outcomes. The third is inadequate planning and estimation. Agile emphasizes adaptability, which can lead to inadequate upfront planning and challenge in estimating time and resource accurately. This can result in resource overlocation, missed deadlines, and budget overruns. For example, a project may start without clear roadmap, causing confusion and misalignment as the project progresses. For the best practice, first is engage leadership. Strong leadership support is essential. Ensure the executive and senior management understand and advocate for agile transformation. Leaders should actively participate in agile training and champion the change throughout the organization. The second is ongoing training. Offer regular training sessions and workshops to build agile knowledge and skills. Ensure that all the team members, including the product owners, scrum masters, and development teams, receive the appropriate training. The last one is agile estimation techniques. Use agile estimation techniques like planning poker, t-shirt sizing, and the Fibonacci sequence to improve the accuracy of estimates. These techniques involve the entire team and leverage the collective expertise. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.